So we're back with another unboxing video. This time we're doing a Age of Sigmar start set. And why did we get this, Vicky?
I don't know.
So that
We on fans.
so that you and your sister wouldn't paint my stuff.
Can I paint all of them?
Yes, you can paint all of them.
I want to paint them ugly.
And yeah, we probably need help here to see what's inside. We have the Lord, Praetor, Vindicator, Gutripper, Swamp Cola, and Hobgrots. And this guy in the pot is kind of cool.
He looks weird.
Yeah, I don't know. He's making a brew or something. And no terrain in this set, but yeah, I guess you could use the paper. Well, we have terrain though, not built yet, but yeah. So let's see, that we have a lot of plastic here, and this looks like, yeah, Sigmarites. They all seem to be push fit models, which is good. Here we got some of these small ones, Hobgrots. Hobgrots. Is that the Swamp Cola? Lord. That has to be the Lord, or is it the Vindicators? Yeah, we'll see when we build them. Yeah, here. Oh, these shields are kind of cool. Looks like a big squig.
Looks like a turtle.
Right. Yeah, maybe. We'll see when we put some paint on them. Maybe we'll paint them later on. Yeah, this must be the Lord and Swamp Cola balls.
Yes.
Now let's see what's under this paper. Round bases. Like, I missed the square ones. They were nice. Fourth edition ones. Nice set of dice.
I'm getting them.
Yeah, I think they're higher quality than the Warcry ones we got. And then we have we have 2 measuring sticks.
That
Want to play it? Board. Bit flimsy, not the hard cardboard ones. And we take a look in the bag. These are like Warcry. With stats and units. I guess it's for easy play.
Yes.
Could be useful. We got core rules.
And instructions.
Easy to take with you.
And
Rule references, and 2 of them, 1 for each player. That's nice.
And
then the
instructions.
And
yeah,
you just push them together. Push fit, no glue needed. That's nice. Yeah.
All right.
And I think that's it. Thank you all for watching.
See you guys in the next video. Bye.